today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert a photo to a PDF file on Android. So first, you have to open your gallery and find a photo. For example, for me, I found it. Then you have to click the share button and you have to find Google Photos icon. You click it and you press upload. You can also change the account that you want to upload it to, but I don't really think it matters. So now we have to just wait for it to upload. It says upload complete after you go to Google Photos, and you have to find that photo. So it should be somewhere here. Yep, over here. Then you have to press three dots, find the print button, click it. You have to choose save as PDF, and to save it, after that you just downloads. Just remember, you don't have to put it like in browser or whatever is there for you. You don't have to put it for it to work. So you can rename it, and after you save it, you have to go to downloads, and it's gonna be over here. And here we go. Here's our PDF file. Yeah, and after you open it, yep, there we go. This is our PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.